Hello, this is Mrs. Adam here with a tutorial on the push buttons. So the push buttons are considered an input. They send a signal into the microbit, and there are two push buttons on the microbit. There's an A button and a B button. And so today I'm going to just tell you a little bit about the push buttons. The push buttons are considered an input, like I said previously, and they are a digital input because you can either not press them or press them. So there's two states that they can be, on or off, pressed or not pressed. Okay, so just to go through the little study sheet here, the digital values, 0 is not pressed and then 1 is pressed. So for our practice code that we're going to do, I have a little screenshot of it here, and then I will show it to you in MakeCode as well. What we want the code to say or do is forever, if somebody presses the A button, we want a smiley face to show up. But if nothing is being pressed, then we want the horizontal line. So you can see that right now on the microbit. I'm just not pressing any of the buttons, and you see the horizontal line. So this is a code block, so we're going to say forever. If the A button is pressed, then show the smiley face. But if it's not, which is the else, we will show the horizontal line. So you can see that right here. I'm going to go press the A button, and now we see the smiley face. You have to continually hold down that A button to have the smiley face show there on the microbit. I'm just going to flip over to MakeCode here and just show you the interface here in MakeCode. So that was the exact same thing that I had on the study sheet. So you can see here there's the code. When I press my A button, the smiley face will appear. Okay, if you have any other questions about the push button activity, be sure to ask 3 before me, or you can go back and check out the help zone. That should help you as well. Okay, thank you. Good luck.